Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage for Patna High Court exam. Ready? Start. The present government gives the impression that growth comes from the rich and the rich do not cry on inflation full stop. They can pursue non-inclusive growth agenda more effectively if they change the institutional architecture, so that expenditure on institutions meant for delivering to the poor can be minimized, if not eliminated, full stop. This is undesirable both politically and economically, full stop. While privatization by itself is not bad, the timing and motive behind the move at the moment is suspect, particularly after the consolidation of PSBs took place, full stop. The views expressed are author now oblique own, full stop. The author is an economist and risk management specialist, full stop. All of those are lights in the darkness, beacons of hope and charity in a once in a century pandemic that has brought the world to its knees, full stop. But we still have to get through Christmas, full stop. For Christians, December 25 is a holy day of great joy, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, full stop. Even for those not of the Christian faith, it is a time traditionally spent with family and friends, full stop. Instead, if we heed the advice of scientists and medical authorities, all across this country, there will be people who spend these days alone, separated from elderly parents, longing to see grandchildren, reaching out by telephone and FaceTime and Zoom to try to replicate the love and togetherness that usually accompany this holiday for so many of us, full stop. 4PL logistic segment in the country includes tech at its core. As supply chains grow ever more complex and fragmented, technology will take an increasingly central role in how the industry develops and overcomes those challenges, full stop. As a result, the demand for new technologies in supply chains has increased significantly, and logistics now stands before a crucial inflection point that will see profound changes to how the industry operates, full stop. Fundamental to this technological revolution will be the establishment of clear industry data standards, potential of new technologies such as AI and blockchain, full stop. सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.